The separator fan attaches to the armature shaft on the brush end of the motor. The fan cleans the motor's cooling air by throwing out any debris before it gets sucked into the motor. A large piece of debris can damage or break the separator fan. Replacing the separator fan is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. I'll also remove both of the motor brush covers. Now I'll separate the lower half of the handle from the motor housing, and I'll remove the separator fan. To remove the fan, I'll lock the grinder just as if I was going to remove a grinding wheel, and then unscrew the fan. And this is a reverse thread. Now I'll install the new separator fan. It is a reverse thread. I'll thread it into place, lock out the gearbox again, and tighten up the fan. I'll reconnect the lower half of the handle to the motor housing. And as I do, I'll make sure that I have all the wires tucked out of the way. Now reinstall the handle cover and secure it with the screws and the brush covers. And that's how you can replace the separator fan in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up